We can edit this however you like.
Happy twinning day, guys. It's Spirit Week. Woo!
Hi.
Okay, that's good.
Take two?
Yeah. Happy twinning day, guys. It's Spirit Week. It's Tuesday.
Hey, 4th grade. Ready for your art lesson with your friendly neighborhood art teacher? Your expedition this semester has been about the forces of change. Here are your guiding questions. We'll skip to the ones that have the simple machines. How could simple machines improve playgrounds to include children with disabilities? And how did my service project impact positive change on the community? Today, your learning targets are: I can identify simple machines, I can draw an inclined plane to show the function of the simple machine, and I can fill up my page and color in completely. Before we begin, you'll need paper, lined paper or printing paper is fine, a pencil and eraser, and coloring supplies. Remember, you're going to be drawing big. Now, we're going to be talking about the inclined plane today. I will also call it the ramp, because the ramp is a little bit shorter and easier to put into our artwork than the words inclined plane. The plane being a flat surface and inclined being that it's slanted or it's tilted a little bit. You've got two really good examples right there. We've got one on the left which shows you a little bit more detail, well, technical detail to what an inclined plane is. The thing that you need to get up the plane is what's giving you the resistance. In this case, he's just pushing a big ball. He himself is the force. It is a little bit easier to get stuff up to the top of something when you are pushing it up a slanted ramp. You can also see on the right that it's also easier to pull something up. It's the same kind of premise here. Loading things onto trucks, loading things from one place to the next can be a lot easier when you are pushing them up an inclined plane or a ramp than walking them upstairs or something like that. So what we are going to be doing today is a very simple illustration of what a ramp, or again the inclined plane, is, how it works. You are going to get to draw whatever it is that you are bringing up. In this case, I have brought one of my dogs, or drawn one of my dogs. Let's see if we can get him. Rebel. Come here, Rebel. Picked up the wrong camera. Let me say, hey, Rebel. So, I drew one of my dogs in the picture. You get to draw whatever you think you would be bringing up in the box on yours. Oops. That's 3rd grade's project. So, we're going to start by drawing a big triangle. Because that's like the most basic, easy, besides the wheel, shape to draw for our simple machines. We're going to draw the top too. This is where, whatever it is that you're taking it up to. And then let's, really big words. I'm going to start by writing R, A, M, P. And if you are crazy and you want to truly write inclined plane up and down it, go for it. Have fun with it. I'm not going to try. And I'm going to make mine into bubble letters just again to make it easier to read. So I've made this into the word ramp because again, I'm trying to make sure that we want to keep all the words in here, so you would, not all the words, you want the word associated with your simple machine in it. Now, I'm going to draw, I drew a box. You can draw a barrel if you want, and so now that's going to be easy. I'll make it look like a barrel. And I'll put a circle up at the top, put the lines. And then I will draw a bunch of apples in it because we'll make this a barrel of apples. Because why not? Barrel monkeys might be too hard, take too long to draw. So, I've drawn a whole bunch of apples. I need to get it to the top. I'm going to draw my rope coming around. I can erase the inside and go back over. Then I'll draw that rope coming up to the top. And then we're going to draw a hand, once again, holding up here at the top. This is very similar to the hands that we've been drawing recently. So we're going to have one finger, another little finger. Here goes the rope. We're going to put the thumb on this side. And then voila. Easy peasy, simple, but you should be able to remember what a ramp is and what it does when you are done with this. So, once you've got your ramp drawn, you've got the word done, everything else is there, give it some nice color. So your task today is to follow the steps and draw a ramp. Create the object that your inclined plane / ramp is helping move, and color it all in.
See you next time.
Bye.
I don't know what else to say.
Oh, there's a good look at Ziggy. Hello there.
Oh, it's hard to tell if she's... she looks terrified. Oh, dang. Okay, all right.